Hello students and everyone. Today we're looking at CNN, and apparently Italy has been given a special award. And let me remind you first, before we talk about that supposed special award regarding the food, which you can see is stolen products. They steal eggs, they steal cheese, they steal the body parts of animals, but apparently, because it is their tradition, this is somehow an important thing that they must preserve, which is completely false and insane. Veganism is a moral obligation, and Italy should be vegan. Everybody is capable of caring for everyone, and that includes the animals. Any cheese here comes from stolen milk that belonged to a mother who was pinned down and forced to be pregnant, and her babies are taken away and murdered. This is what happens in the dairy industry everywhere around the world. It is absolutely shameful to give Italy some sort of an award because they steal eggs from chickens, and because they steal the milk from cows, and because they rip apart baby pigs at just 6 months old to cut them into pieces, and they eat those as well. It's extremely shameful. Meat is murder. And Italy, you should be ashamed of yourself for not changing your menu by now. If you are a person who cares and who is against violence, it's time for you to subscribe to this channel and help us to raise awareness about these types of subjects. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you do and press the notification bell. Most of us have been lied to, pretty much all of us have been lied to about what goes on in these industries. It's nothing to be proud of. Anybody can put some dough down. Anybody can put some tomato sauce on some dough. Anybody can put some basil on there and all kinds of olives and things like that. It's not that difficult. Okay, Italy, it's not rocket science. This isn't something like, oh my God, the Italian food is so good. It's literally not that big of a deal. You should not be proud to be hurting animals. You should be vegan and not violent. Animals deserve better. Italy, you should not be the reason why the animals tremble in fear, why they scream in agony, and why they lose their lives. You should be helping to end their suffering and to live vegan. And any kind of organizations that are worldwide should not be praising Italy. They're not doing anything great. Sure, pasta's great and it's vegan, no problem, but pasta is also everywhere around the world. It's literally just noodles. Guys, it's not that big of a deal. It's not that hard. Making vegan food is very easy, and all pizzas should be vegan. All pasta should be vegan, including the sauce. It should just be tomato sauce and different spices. Should be no sort of cheese on here. It's completely unnecessary. Just pour some olive oil on there. Put some salt and pepper, some oregano, some basil. This looks fine. This looks vegan right there. But there are so many other things here that are not okay. And this is an award that they got from UNESCO, supposedly, and saying that they are so proud of their heritage. There's nothing to be proud of with heritage if it involves the murder of innocent animals. Italy, you need to change. And the world giving them an award for this is disgusting. It's absolutely revolting. You should be encouraging them to change their ways because of the environment as well. Everybody knows that animal agriculture is extremely destructive to the environment. And I don't think that anybody would actually, if they saw what happens to the mother cows, be okay with it. To make cheese, bulls are tied up and masturbated and forced to give their sperm. That is rape. It's not okay. Italians are paying for that. They are paying for male bulls to be strapped up, touched inappropriately, have their semen taken out of them, and forced into a female cow who is also tied up. Italy, are you okay with rape? Italy, are you okay with sexual assault? Italy, Are you okay, honestly, with the taking away of babies in the dairy industry, and because they're male and they will never be able to produce milk, are you okay with taking them away and ripping them to shreds, cutting off the heads of babies? Shame, shame, shame on UNESCO for giving Italy an award that they did not deserve.
The egg industry is just a cycle of misery. They lie to you endlessly. Don't buy eggs, walk away. Go to egg-truth.com today.
Italy should be encouraged to use no more eggs. You can use all kinds of alternatives. Here in Italy, it is extremely difficult to even find any kind of restaurant that will serve you some sort of lentil soup. It's almost like lentils are a secondary thing and they should be a primary thing in anyone's diet. Lentils, beans, and rice. That's what they should be focusing on. You don't see any lentils here. You don't see any beans. You don't see any rice. You don't see any chickpeas either. It is really terrible. Trying to find soy milk in a cafe is also difficult. They put cow's milk into everything, and then they're supposedly proud of it. Italy, you should be ashamed of yourself and not proud.